Good morning, student, teacher, and parent. Welcome in Week 8B, Term 2. Several activities will be happen in this week. First, we have early year coffee morning and parent workshop on 21st of November. And the second, Grade 8 University and Career Workshop, parent and student in high school building in 22 November. And then by 22 November till 24 will be WASC mid-cycle virtual visit. Good luck for hard work for all Sekolah Ciputra community. And then on Friday, early year assembly will be happen on early year foyer. Then special for high school student, on Monday 20 November, we have assembly led by grade 11. The second, basketball elite team will have tryout between junior boys and girls team and senior boys and girls team. Good luck for them. Last, there will be final semester tests for all high school students. Do your best and good luck. Bye-bye and see you.